Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you guys how to resolve the CLIPSVC, also known as the client license service is not starting on your computer. So the specific error message reads, Windows could not start the client license service, CLIPSVC, service on local computer, error 126, the specified module could not be found. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Type in services. Best match should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. Locate the client license service and double click on it. If service status is stopped, you want to go ahead and select start. And then once you've done that, select OK and see if that now resolves your problem. So that should honestly be about it, guys. You can also take it one step further too, and if you had the option to, set it to automatic. But that's pretty much it. Nothing else really more to say on this topic. So restart your computer if you want, or just try and launch the application again that you're having the problem with right now. See if that works. If not, try restarting. And if you're still having a problem, you can try doing one further thing here, and that would just be to reset our Microsoft Store apps. So in order to do that, just open up the start menu, type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset here. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment here, and then once it's done, it should launch the Microsoft Store. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So hopefully this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.